In this video, we will give you detailed recommendations that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called J4fsf. J4fsf. It is called like that because it encrypts the documentation stored on the attacked computer, and then after the encryption is performed successfully, the ransomware adds this special extension called J4fsf, and it tells its victims to pay the ransom to get the files decrypted. So currently what you are seeing on my screen is the moments before the ransomware attacks the files. I'm able to open my files without any problems. But after the ransomware attacks them, it starts immediately modifying the files altogether. So soon you'll realize that the special extension called J4fsf has been added to the files. Of course, the ransomware then tells that you need to pay the special ransom in order to get your files recovered. On the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that you would get your files restored. Some people who have paid the ransom before soon realize that they did not get any file recovery, and it could be that you would get your files restored if you pay the ransom, but once again there is no guarantee that you would get the file restoration. So it could be that you would simply waste your money for nothing. In the light of this information, we strongly advise that you do not pay the ransom. After the extension is added to the files, the customers are no longer able to open the file. And removing the extension does not decrypt the file. The file is still inaccessible and you cannot open it anymore. We strongly advise that you immediately go to the Task Manager application and stop any suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware in order to terminate any further file encryption. This is that scary warning, by the way, that is delivered by the ransomware. It says that you need to pay the ransom to get your files back. But instead, we recommend you to immediately seek for the solution to remove this ransomware. And we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and then start carefully examining your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware will help you to detect this particular ransomware and to remove it effectively and to protect your files from further encryption. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you'll be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while, it depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-Ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.